this morning. Virtually first off, pretty much, sort of. Yeah, okay. Not exactly the first off, but close enough, yes. We're in Wellington, it's day 6. Today we're gonna do the cable car, Botanical Gardens, WETA and Te Papa, all within 6 hours of our very limited port time. So stay tuned and see you soon. Oh, it's very steep.
Closed.
So that was a fun little ride up in the cable car, eh? We'll just have a quick look around the Botanical Gardens here. There's an observatory, there's a meteorology station, there's a timekeeping thing. And yeah, it's a really crisp but very sunny and beautiful day in Wellington. Yes, thank you, Wellington. I'm filming, you can go now. If you're gonna stack it, now's the time.
Fall, failed.
I'm not gonna do that. See what I put up with.
Hey, you chose that pizza.
What? There was a choice?
What was the choice? I don't know.
I did not know this. I didn't get that memo.
I don't know.
Don't know if you can see that properly, but if you get to the cable car just even like an hour after it opens, that's a line you can expect. So if at all possible, get there early. It's 10:15 and nothing's open in Wellington on Sunday morning at this moment. So we're just going to head to the WETA Cave and look around there for about half an hour before our tour. So we're here at the WETA Cave and I won't be able to do any photography or video on the tour, so apologies for that. But here's some footage of the little like mini museum and stuff you can look at within the shop. And there's actually some props from movies, and I'll put the information on the screen as you see them. And see you real soon. Get the green.
The best one. Yeah, absolutely.
Best one. Gandalf the Grey is so much more fun than Gandalf the White.
There you go. There you go. There it is.
No.
It is. It is.
Okay.
You want to have a go? You want to have a go? You want to have a go?
I said.
Okay, so we've done the WETA Cave and now we're going to go to Te Papa, the Museum of New Zealand.
There are stains on your photo, little cracks on your rusty frame, stuck in the mud, oh, but it's okay. I don't have the pieces of your home, buried in the flashbacks. All these wicked nightmares have gone cold. Now we go way, way back, as far as way back goes, still standing by your side.
So that was Wellington in under 6 hours. We did real good, I think. You know, like cable car, WETA Cave, and Te Papa. Albeit, we only did not even 1/5 of Te Papa, but nonetheless, it was. Yeah, it's too educational. Is there such a thing as being too educational? I feel like I go there and I'm in school, but for a free museum, I can't criticise it, can I? No. So I take all that back. Okay. So we're walking very quickly back to the bus because it's getting a bit late. If you miss getting on your cruise ship when it departs, they don't wait. You have to find your own way to the next place, so we do not want to do that. Tonight will be a bit of a special vlog, and I'll do a separate one for Wonderland Restaurant. It's kind of like a down the rabbit hole, Alice in Wonderland type experience, and I'm really looking forward to it.
I'm not.
Yeah, because my kids aren't going to it. Yay! Alright, if you haven't already, do me a huge one. Comment, like, subscribe, share this on your socials, and particularly subscribe if you already need subscribers. Thanks so much. Sounding desperate. Alright, Chris out.
I've got